When you think of a daily exotic sedan, one name stands above the rest: the Mercedes AMG GT 63S. More than just a car, it's the ultimate fusion of luxury, performance, and practicality. Let's take a deeper look at what makes this sedan a game changer in the automotive world. At its heart lies a masterpiece of engineering, a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. This engine delivers an awe-inspiring 630 horsepower and 664 pound-foot of torque. That's enough to rocket the sedan from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, leaving even many supercars in its wake. But this power isn't just raw, it's refined. The AMG Speed Shift MCT 9-speed transmission ensures smooth gear changes whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on the track. Power is nothing without control, and the AMG GT 63S is built to handle anything. Its AMG-tuned 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system provides unparalleled grip and agility. Coupled with an adaptive suspension system, this sedan effortlessly transitions from sporty to comfortable. Whether carving through winding mountain roads or cruising city streets, the GT63S stays composed and confident. And it's not just for dry conditions: rain, snow, or even ice. The AMG GT63S excels in all weather, making it the ultimate all-season performer. Step inside, and you're transported to a world of unparalleled luxury. Every detail, from the finest Napa leather upholstery to the customizable ambient lighting, has been crafted to perfection. The heated and ventilated seats ensure maximum comfort no matter the weather. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating a spacious and serene environment. And with Mercedes' signature Burmester surround sound system, every note of your favorite music feels like a private concert. Technology is at the forefront of the AMG GT 63S. The dual 12.3-inch high-resolution displays provide all the information you need, from navigation to performance stats. And with the latest infotainment system, you can control the car with just your voice. Simply say, "Hey Mercedes," and the system responds to your commands. Whether adjusting the climate, finding the nearest coffee shop, or setting your next destination, it's all seamless. Unlike many exotics, the AMG GT 63S doesn't compromise on practicality. With seating for 4 adults and a surprisingly spacious trunk, it's ready for errands, road trips, or even your daily commute. The rear seats fold down to accommodate larger items, and multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin keep everything you need within reach. This is a car that adapts to your lifestyle, no matter how demanding. From the aggressive Panamericana grille to the sculpted body lines, the AMG GT 63S is a masterpiece of design. Every curve and contour is not just beautiful, but also functional, enhancing aerodynamics and stability. Carbon fiber accents, bold AMG badging, and sleek LED lighting remind you that this isn't just any sedan, it's an AMG. It's exotic enough to stand out, but refined enough to suit any occasion. The beauty of the AMG GT 63S lies in its versatility. It's perfect for a night out on the town, a weekend getaway, or even the school run. Wherever life takes you, this car ensures you arrive in style. But make no mistake, beneath its refined exterior lies a track-ready beast. The AMG Dynamic Select system lets you switch from comfort to sport or even race mode, unlocking the car's full potential. The advanced braking system, rear axle steering, and lightweight construction ensure you can take on any corner with confidence. It's not just a daily driver, it's a thrill machine. Owning an AMG is about more than just driving, it's about the experience. Mercedes-Benz offers unparalleled customer service, ensuring your car is always performing at its best. And with a range of customization options, you can make your GT63S truly your own. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior trims, the possibilities are endless. The Mercedes AMG GT63S isn't just a sedan, it's a supercar in disguise. It combines heart-pounding performance, opulent luxury, and everyday usability like no other. Owning a Mercedes AMG GT 63S is about more than just having a car. It's about embracing a lifestyle of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. Starting at $170,000, this masterpiece of engineering offers unparalleled value for what it delivers. A handcrafted V8 engine, cutting-edge technology, and a cabin that redefines luxury. Want to take it even further? Fully loaded models with options like the exclusive carbon ceramic brakes, custom interior trims, and unique paint finishes can exceed $228,000. But with every detail tailored to your preferences, the experience is worth every penny. Now here's the thing, they're not making cars like this much longer. Everything is going hybrid, downsized, or fully electric. And that means massive twin-turbo V8s like this are on borrowed time. Mercedes has already started phasing out V8s in some of their AMG models, which means the AMG GT63S could be one of the last true gas-powered monsters from the brand. If you're thinking about getting one, this might be your last chance before AMG goes fully electric. And let's be honest, electric vehicles might be fast, but nothing will ever replace the sound, feel, and emotion of a car like this. But it's not all perfect. Let's talk cons. First, it's heavy. This car weighs over 4,700 pounds, which means even with all the tech helping you, it's not as sharp as something like a BMW M5 CS. Secondly, the price. Starting at $180,000 plus, this is deep into supercar territory, where you could also get a used McLaren 57S or a Porsche Turbo S. And finally, gas mileage. Forget about it. Even if you baby it, you're getting maybe 16 miles per gallon. But here's the thing. If you want a luxury rocket that can take on exotics while keeping you in absolute comfort, there's really nothing like it. The AMG GT63S is basically a four-door supercar, and if you have the money, it's worth every dollar. The AMG GT63S is basically a four-door supercar, a luxury missile, and a dying breed of V8 insanity, all wrapped in one. It's big, loud, fast, and unapologetic. And honestly, that's what makes it legendary. The Mercedes AMG GT63S isn't just a sedan, it's a supercar in disguise. It combines heart-pounding performance, opulent luxury, and everyday usability like no other. Experience it for yourself. Visit your local dealer and discover why the AMG GT63S is the ultimate daily exotic sedan. Your drive will never be the same again.